50 Indian river system based question for competitive exams like UPSC, BPSC, SSC, Railway, and CTET. Question 1. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Ganga, D. Krishna. For every question, you are assigned 5 seconds to answer. The correct option is option C, Ganga. Question 2. The Ganga originates from A. Yamunotri, B. Gangotri Glacier, C. Siachen Glacier, D. Zemu Glacier. Correct option is option B, Gangotri Glacier. Question 3. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. Option B, Godavari. Question 4. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon of India? A. Narmada, B. Chambal, C. Tapi, D. Sun. Option A, Narmada. Question 5. Which river does not form a delta? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Narmada, D. Mahanadi. Option C, Narmada. Question 6. The Yamuna joins the Ganga at A. Haridwar, B. Prayagraj, C. Varanasi, D. Patna. Option B, Prayagraj. Question 7. Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? A. Gandak, B. Koshi, C. Sun, D. Punpun. The correct option is option B, Koshi. Now, this question is very important for Bihar DLED entrance exam. They ask it several times. Question 8. The Brahmaputra enters India through A. Sikkim, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Assam, D. Nagaland. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question 9. The Narmada flows into A. Bay of Bengal, B. Arabian Sea, C. Indian Ocean, D. Gulf of Mannar. Option B, Arabian Sea. Question 10. Which river rises near Mahabaleshwar? A. Krishna, B. Tapi, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. Option A, Krishna. Question 11. Which river is the largest tributary of the Ganga? A. Yamuna, B. Sun, C. Kosi, D. Ghagra. Option A, Yamuna. Question 12. Hirakund Dam is built on A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Mahanadi, D. Tapi. Correct option is C. Mahanadi. Question 13. Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on A. Ravi, B. Beas, C. Satluj, D. Chenab. Option C. Satluj. Question 14. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is on A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Tapi. Option A. Krishna. Question 15. Tehri Dam is built on A. Bhagirathi, B. Alaknanda, C. Yamuna, D. Ramganga. Correct option is A. Bhagirathi. Question 16. Which river is called the male river? A. Brahmaputra, B. Ganga, C. Godavari, D. Krishna. Option A. Brahmaputra. Question 17. The source of the Yamuna is A. Gangotri, B. Yamunotri, C. Amarkantak, D. Trimbakeshwar. Option B, Yamunotri. Question 18. Which river originates from Amarkantak? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Krishna, D. Tapi. Correct option is B. Narmada. Question 19. The Tapi River flows into A. Bay of Bengal, B. Arabian Sea, C. Indian Ocean, D. Gulf of Kutch. Option B. Arabian Sea. Question 20. Which river forms the Sundarban Delta? A. Ganga Brahmaputra, B. Godavari Krishna, C. Mahanadi, D. Kaveri. Option A, Ganga Brahmaputra. Question 21. Which river is known as the Vriddha Ganga? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Tapi. Option A, Godavari. Question 22. Which river flows through Delhi? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Chambal, D. Betwa. Option B, Yamuna. Question 23. Which is a tributary of the Yamuna? A. Chambal, B. Koshi, C. Gandak, D. Tista. Option A, Chambal. Question 24. Which river originates from Trimbakeshwar? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Tapi, D. Kaveri. Option B, Godavari. Question 25. Which river is called the lifeline of Assam? A. Tista, B. Brahmaputra, C. Barak, D. Manas. Option B, Brahmaputra. Question 26. Which river is west flowing? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Tapi, D. Mahanadi. Option C, Tapi. Question 27. The Kaveri originates from A. Brahmagiri Hills, B. Nilgiri Hills, C. Satpura Hills, D. Vindhya Hills. Option A, Brahmagiri Hills. Question 28. Which river is known for the Jog Falls? A. Sharavati, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Tapi. Option A, Saravati. Question 29. Which river is the largest peninsular river? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. Option B, Godavari. Question 30. Which river flows through Kolkata? A. Damodar, B. Hooghly, C. Tista, D. Subarnarekha. Option B, Hooghly. Question 31. The Hooghly is a distributary of A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Brahmaputra, D. Sun. Option B, Ganga. Question 32. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bengal? A. Damodar, B. Hooghly, C. Mahananda, D. Tista. Option B, Hooghly. Question 33. Which river flows through the Marble Rocks? A. Narmada, B. Tapi, C. Sun, D. Chambal. Option A, Narmada. Question 34. The Indus originates near A. Mansarovar, B. Gangotri, C. Yamunotri, D. Amarkantak. Option A, Mansarovar. Question 35. Which is not an Indus tributary? A. Ravi, B. Beas, C. Ghagra, D. Chenab. Option C, Ghagra. Question 36. Which river is famous for the Bhakra Dam? A. Satluj, B. Ravi, C. Beas, D. Chenab. Option A, Satluj. Question 37. Which river is the largest tributary of Brahmaputra in India? A. Tista, B. Subansiri, C. Barak, D. Dibang. Option B, Subansiri. Question 38. Which river originates from the Satpura range? A. Tapi, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Kaveri. Option A, Tapi. Question 39. Which river forms the boundary between Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh for some distance? Option A, Betwa, Option B, Chambal, Option C, Sun, Option D, Kane. Option B, Chambal. Question 40. Which river is a tributary of the Ganga? A. Gandak, B. Periyar, C. Pennar, D. Sabarmati. Option A, Gandak. Question 41. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Tapi. Option C, Kaveri. Question 42. the Sabarmati River flows into? A. Bay of Bengal, B. Arabian Sea, C. Indian Ocean, D. Gulf of Mannar. Option B. Arabian Sea. Question 43. Which river originates from Talakaveri? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Tapi. Option C. Kaveri. Question 44. Which river is associated with the Sardar Sarovar Dam? Option A. Tapi, B. Narmada, C. Godavari, D. Krishna. Option B. Narmada. Question 45. Which river is called the River of Gold? A. Subarnarekha, B. Sun, C. Koshi, D. Gandak. Option A. Subarnarekha. Question 46. Which river flows through Srinagar? A. Jhelum, B. Ravi, C. Chenab, D. Beas. Option A. Jhelum. Question 47. Which river is the main river of Odisha? A. Mahanadi, B. Brahmaputra, C. Krishna, D. Tapi. Option A. Mahanadi. Question 48. Which river is a tributary of Krishna? Option A. Bhima, Option B. Koshi, Option C. Gandak, Option D. Sun. Option A. Bhima. Question number 49. Which river originates from the Western Ghats? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. All of the above. Question is D. All of the above. Question 50, and it is the last question of this video. Which Indian river is called the National River of India? Option A. Yamuna, Option B. Ganga, Option C. Brahmaputra, Option D. Sun. Option is option B. Ganga. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Till then, bye.